UAAP MVP Kay Emana is making her mark beyond the collegiate scene, recently debuting on the WTA tournament. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has the report.
UAAP tennis MVP Kay Emana is stepping onto a much bigger stage. At just 20 years old, the University of Santo Tomas standout recently made her WTA debut, becoming one of the few Filipino players to compete in an international women's professional tennis tournament.
Wala po, excited lang kasi po WTA po yun and sa iba't ibang bansa po yung ginaganap and first time po sa dito. Nakasali po ako, nanalo po ako ng top 1 sa pre-qualifying namin. Sobrang happy lang po.
Emana secured a wildcard spot after topping the pre-qualifying round, where she faced several of the country's top-ranked players. But more than the results, the experience exposed her to the demands of elite-level tennis both on and off the courts.
Sobrang ibang-iba po dito sa open natin kasi po on and off the court po, super laki po ng gap ng pagkakaiba nila. Nag-enjoy lang po ako and inisip ko po yung laro ko lang. And mawawala naman po yung feeling na ganun pag nandun ka na po sa mismong tournament.
The WTA's stint also highlighted what she needs to improve most: consistency.
Gusto ko po magaya yung consistency nila during the game po and before the game.
Off the international stage, Emana continues to juggle life as a student athlete, attending classes by day and training at night. With UAAP Season 88 set to begin this February, Emana believes her WTA experience has given her a major confidence boost.
Right now po, feeling ko dahil kakatapos ng WTA, super ready po ako.
Now back on the UAAP courts, Kay Emana heads into Season 88 with a stronger mindset, carrying lessons from the world stage as she chases another strong campaign for UST. UAAP Season 88 tennis tournament kicks off this February 14. Kapatid Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.